Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech. Today I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Nokia 3V. Make sure that the phone is powered off. Press the volume down on the power button. Once the phone turns on, it will take you to this screen. Look up the options right here. Scroll down. You'll go to recovery mode. Press the power to select. Once you see the screen, you can either give it some time or press and release the up key and the power button. Scroll down. Wipe data factory reset. Press the power button to select. Scroll down, yes. There you go, the phone is wiped clean. You can either do the option of reboot or the power off. Here you go. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.